Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining the app update journey. This is Sangram Rajput and today I welcome you to an informative journey that we have begun with the name of app update. Now, as the name says, app update, it's all about the applications which are there on desktop as well as mobile. What we exactly do is we go ahead and try to provide you as much as information about the application, how you can download, how you can go ahead and utilize it into your daily life, and how an application can resolve some of the problems which are there into your computer or your mobile. Say if there is an application which you're using for chat, which is the best? Say right now WhatsApp is trending. So what we do exactly is any update which is coming out for WhatsApp, any update which is coming out, say that there is an upgrade, there is a change which has been made into WhatsApp, or there is a specific update which has been regularized today only into WhatsApp. So what we do exactly is we come ahead, we monitor, we try, we test, and we go ahead with the results and come make a video for you wherein we would be providing you all the updates into a complete manner, so you don't have to go ahead and read the long updates and waste your time. We're gonna make it short and sweet for you. So friends, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because we are going to start a complete series about many of the applications which are there for computer, which are there on your mobile, and it can be Android, it can be iOS, it can be Windows. All right, whichever the application is coming in, whatever the format they are supporting, we are going to make sure that we go ahead and provide you a detailed information. So friends, please go ahead and subscribe to app update, and make sure that you also press the bell icon, so any of the series, any of the video that is coming up for any tips, for any tricks which are there into the application, comes down to your mobile or gives you a notification whenever it is been required. So guys, if you love the channel, please share the channel with many of your friends, so that we can grow and we can provide information to each and every people which are in need of it. Thank you very much. You have a lovely day ahead. See ya.